Hello, how are you? I hope you are fine. Okay, so we are going to start our natural language processing, mm, like basic steps for this in order to make our project, which I have just shown you. Okay, so in the few first lectures, uh, we will be try to know about the natural language processing. What are the tokenizer, how we do the padding, how we can make our input, like really basic steps in the natural language processing. After that, we will implement our deep neural network model, and we will do the training. After doing that, we can implement our Django project, and at the end we will implement one API from where we can call this whatever we are going to train, that we can call and get the response from the neural network from our server. Okay, so in this lecture we are going to make it very short, nearly 10 minutes. Okay, so it will be only about the basic steps about the natural language processing, which we will be using in our project. Okay, so let me make it small. All of us Alt. Okay, I think it is fine. Okay, recording is going on now. Okay, let me, if I can't see myself, then it is very difficult for me to explain. Okay, I think now it is fine. Okay, so let's start with the tokenization. Let's say there is a sentence. What should I say? This is mango. Okay, if we this is a mango, computer can't understand this is a mango. It cannot process this sentence. So first we have to make it we have to convert it in such a way that computer can understand what is written there. So for that there is first we have to make like each word with replace each word with a numerical value. Like this is a mango, we can write it also like this, like 1 2 3 and 4. Let me put commas, 2 3 and 4, and we have assumed that when we have done this, no, then we have assumed one thing, that this is mapped with 1, is mapped with 2, A is mapped with 3, and mango is mapped with 4. Okay, so like this we can do like this. So this is just a convention which we understand, like and computer can understand this Okay, computer can easily process this, but computer can't process this is a Mango word. But once we like convert this to a numerical value, then it can really process and understand what is written there. And okay, so here this thing is known as tokenization. Okay, so TensorFlow is providing the libraries for this tokenization, and we are going to use that library. Okay, so I am going to import that library. So we have TensorFlow, suggestion, no suggestion, tensor. Okay, let me write it. TensorFlow.keras. It is not connected, but let it be connected. Connecting here. Okay, okay, connected. TensorFlow.keras. It is like pre-processing. So let not new section. It is pre-processing. Especially we will be talking about the tokenization. Okay. Okay, so here pre-processing. Any suggestion? No suggestion. TensorFlow.keras.pre-processing. Okay, from pre-processing. Okay, it is. Okay, we can import. What can we import? It is showing TensorFlow. No dot. We are going to process on the text. Okay, and we can import from here. We can import tokenizer. Okay, we have imported a tokenizer, and we can let's take one example. Sentences. This is Mango. Okay, now we have this tokenizer. Let me make its instant tokenizer equals to, this is an object. We are taking its just instant. Okay, number of words we can pass, like how many words will be there in our whole like process, in our whole sentence. So we can give any number, let's say 100. When there are like very huge sentences, then according to that you can count, or you can use some kind of code to count those number, how many unique words are there, and you can pass that value here. Otherwise you can take 100 or 1000 or 10,000 like that. Okay, after that we can let's say what is given there, we can fit on the text. So this is our text. Just pass it, and if we want, and we can writing like this is making the code more clear and easy to readable. Okay, now what can we see from here? Okay, we have tokenizer dot, we can see the indexing, which word is given what kind of index. This is, see here, this is assigned one, is mapped with 2 like this. Okay, let's move forward. There is other thing also given, tokenizer dot index what we can see this also, just reverse of this. Okay, since if you add another sentence, if we add another sentence, how are you, see this. Okay, let me rerun. See here, how are you, this, like this word also assign like some tokens also. So here two sentences are here. If I want that like first sentence should be appear like 1, this is assigned with 1, no? 1 is mapped with 2, then mang a is there, no? That is 3 and 4. This means what it is saying, this is a mango. Understood? In the second one, how are you? So 5, 6, 7, 8, and this means 1. So this is a 5, 6, 7, 8, and C. Okay, after that 1 means this. So what it written, this is representing this sentence. Understood? Okay. So how can we generate this one? We have generated this one. Either we can like code by our own, or we can use the library again. There is functionality is given here in this tokenizer. So what can we do? We can use this tokenizer dot text to sequence. Okay, here we can pass the text. What is our text? Our text is that sentence. Okay, see here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 1. This same thing it like return. So it is returning for each sentence. For each sentence it is returning like a list of numbers. Okay, tokens it is returning. So it is very easy for us, like using this tool we can easily pre-process our sentences. Okay, so after that this is like sequence. Let me sequence. Okay, let me put in a variable. After that we can do like padding. Why we do padding? What I mean by padding, like if let's say our neural network is taking size of input size is, let's say 1,10, it means our sentence should be like this. 1 2, the first sentence is this one, no? Let me just print it. Let me just print it. Okay, 1 2 3 and 4. So this is our first sentence. This is our sentence, first sentence, but our neural network is taking size of this. So how we can deal with this? So this here comes padding. So padding means we are going to add some particular value, either first place or the last place. That is pre-padding or post-padding. Okay, so we can do here like 0 0, so that our size of input can be same as the size of input which neural network is taking. How much it is? This one is for 3 to 5. Okay, now its size is 10, 1 comma 10. Yeah, that's it. This is padding. Okay, so how can we do that in in TensorFlow? So they are providing a library for the padding. So we can search here padding in TensorFlow. Okay, what they are showing. Let me see the library. What is the name of the library? Sequence. Okay, we are going to pad the sequence. Actually this is sequence now, so we are going to pad that one. So here we can import from this TensorFlow.keras.pre. Again I am going to write this. This was pre-processing on text. Now we are going to do the pre-processing on the sequence. Give me a suggestion. Sequence. Okay. From here we can import pad sequence. In that pad sequence we can just pass this sequence. We can pass this sequence and it will pad it. Okay, just pass it here. See, it has padded it. Which sentence is actually get padded? Here you see 1 2 3 4. Here 0 1 2 3 4. Here 5 6 7 8 1. 5 6 7 8 1. So it has taken the default size as the maximum length of a sentence which is present in the sequence. Okay. So here also we can define our own length. So that is max length. You can see all those parameters which is available here. Here, where did you call sequence, max length, data type. We can define the data type. If we want float, then we can here just write float. Then here we can do padding. So initially it is doing by default it is doing pre-padding. So let me first like this. Max length is this. So this, see, both get padded. Here we can do so it is we can do post padding also. Padding equals to post. See, 0 is added after these 1 2 3 4. So this is padding. So let's conclude our lecture here. This is really very basic about the tokenization and how we can tokenize a sentence, a text. Then we have first done the fit the tokenizer on the text. Then we got this. After that we have done text to sequence. Then we got this. After that we are doing the padding. From the padding we got this. Understood? Okay, let's conclude the session here. I will catch up you in the next one. Okay, bye bye, take care.